LED strip light dual USB-C docking station. Two USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 cables are included in the package. First, look at the overall look. This row is RGB strip light. These two are the function keys of the strip light. Front USB-C port and USB port can be used for charging and data transmission. Open the side magnet cover. Inside is the M.2 SSD hard drive enclosure, compatible with NVMe and SATA protocols. On the other side are SD and micro SD card storage box. The back is very functional. This is the docking station master switch, AUX, SD/micro SD card reader, and 4 USB ports. Both HDMI ports support 4K at 60 Hz. The following are 1000 megabits per second RJ45 and 100 WPD ports. The RGB strip light can follow the ambient sound to produce rhythm. The RGB strip light will display the working status of the M.2 hard disk. When connecting the second USB-C port, one more external screen can be expanded. This port can also be used alone. Connect mobile phones, iPads, laptops, and other devices. Short press the button above to change the color. Long press to adjust the brightness. Short press the button below to change the mode. And long press to turn off the light.